In today's class, we are going to discuss one of the most important chapter, that is template. Template is the parameterized data type, which means that you have not to specify which data you are sending to a class or a function. At the time of passing the value, what is template type, that will be get stored. Means you have not to define in function or the class integer, character or float. Why it is parameterized or generic data type? Suppose you are passing the value 10, the template type will be integer. You are passing the value character, the template type become character. You are passing the value float, the template is float. Means you have to define the template. Accordingly, the value will be stored what the type of value you are passing. Template are of two types. One is function template and one is the class template. In today's class, we have to discuss with a few examples about the function template. Hence, it is written, template is a powerful feature in C++ which allows you to create generic classes or generic functions. Means we have to create the parameterized templates as function and parameterize as the class templates. Generic program is a technique where the generic types are used as parameter. Means you have not to specify which value you are passing. At instance, what value you are passing, the template nature will be changed accordingly. Hence, template are of two types. One is function template, one is the class template. What is function template? Function template can be termed as the generic functions or function template, which can contain set of operation on various type of data. Means at a time you can pass similar type of data or dissimilar type of data. Accordingly, the parameter will work. What's its syntax? You have to define before the main function, template is fixed, class is fixed, tree type means you can declare as x, y, z. Means template is must, class is must, tree type is the user defined name. Then when you are using with the function, you have to write return type followed by function name, your normal function, user defined function. Parameter list, you have to define what template name is taken here, that parameter you have given. Suppose template type is x, you have to mention x. If the template type is y, you have to specify y followed by set of operation you want to mention or you want to write within this function. Let's take the first example. First we have to understand, then we have to run. Create a function template to pass few values, then display of similar type. We have defined template is must, class is must, t is the user defined name. Void display, we are not mentioning integer, character or float, that is t type. Means what value will be passed, t nature will be that. Suppose in display as a user defined function, we are passing a 100. 100 will be stored in a, hence the template is integer type. Suppose next time we are passing a is stored in the a variable and template t nature is character. Suppose you are passing 12.6, 12.6 will be stored in the variable a and the t's nature is a float. We have not to define integer, character, float, etc. And hence the execution will be accordingly, the output will be displayed 100, a, 12.6 respectively. Here we are passing same type of data at a time. But if you want to define or pass different types of data, you have to create number of templates. Here we have defined two templates, template class T, class R. Now within the function as a parameter we are given TARB, means if you are passing 100, now 100 is stored in the A variable and the T nature become integer. If you are passing 12.8, it will be stored in the B variable and the R nature will be the float. Means at a time we are sending different types of value to the template, and that is known as your passing multiple type of parameter within the function template. You have not to declare integer, character, float, etc. Like this, many template you can define at a time. If I want to run this program, the process is moves to your online compiler or the editor, that is turbo editor I have written previously, and I will run these two programs. Either that program is running perfectly or not. Moves to your corresponding editors, open the program, then you start running. I have created two programs, template 1 and template 2. Let's see either this template 1 and template 2, those two programs are running or not. Open, that is let template 1.cpp. Let me to open. First template 1.cpp. See, the same program is written. Let me to compile, then start running. You will be getting the result. As I am passing 112 a 12.6 means one type of parameter at a time. Then I want to open the second program, the template 2. See, we are creating two templates and we are passing different types of value at a time. Then it will be displaying you the result. In this way, we can run the template and get the output according to the requirement. In today's class, we have discussed what is template, what is the use of template, types of template, function template with its example by running the program and displaying the output. I think today's session is essential to you. You understand it. Having any doubt, please make the comments. If you like the video, kindly like it. You who have not subscribed previously, kindly subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next class.